kalamkari sarees. All are black based sarees and beautiful sarees. These are all very easy to maintain. The first wash preferably a dry clean, and later on you can wash it at home. These sarees are very perfect for summers. Let's get on to the show. The saree which I am wearing is saree number 1. It's a very popular saree. It's fully black based saree. It has got panels, borders. It has got some 5 borders, I believe. One border, it's all cows. Second border is all pallaki and all. The third border, all elephants, Raja Rani and all. This is how the saree looks. The full saree looks like this. And in the pallu, you have a beautiful peacock in mustard, green and red. And it has got a off-white printed blouse. To block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. This is saree number 1, priced at $15.99. This is saree number 2. These are all our silk cotton sarees, priced at $15.99. This is the same saree. This is like the previous saree, black base saree. Here the green color has been highlighted in the saree. It has got full 4 borders. It's a very beautiful saree. And going on to the pallu, it has got beautiful peacock. And a off-white blouse. This is saree number 2, priced at $15.99. To block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is saree number 3. Saree number 3 is a nice Mukhwada saree. This saree, what you are seeing, all the Mukhwadas, it comes only in the pallu portion. It's a partly pallu saree. For the pleats
and the blouse.
For the pleats, you get nice ikat printed pleats. It will be like this. The pallu of the saree has got a nice peacocks in pallu and ikat printed blouse. This is saree number 3, priced at $15.99. To block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is saree number 4. Saree number 4 is again a black base saree. All the sarees are all black base sarees in this video. You can see the borders on both sides of the saree. The borders have beautiful peacocks in red based. On the mid portion of the saree, it has got beautiful vines throughout the saree. This is how the saree looks. Going on to the pallu. It's got beautiful peacock in pallu. And an off-white printed blouse. This is saree number 4, priced at $15.99. To block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is saree number 5. Saree number 5, you can see all beautiful vines printed all throughout the saree in blue and off-white. There's only one border, one side of the saree. The border is off-white based border with flowers on it. This is how the saree looks. In the pallu.
Nice peacocks are printed.
In the pallu.
Yeah, it's got beautiful peacocks printed at the pallu and an off-white printed blouse.
Printed blouse. Saree number 6.
5.
Priced at?
So the saree number 5 priced at $15.99. To block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us.
This is saree number 6. As you can see, the full saree has beautiful vines in the mid portion of the saree, and in the bottom portion there are big peacocks. There are 2 borders, both sides there are borders, red based borders. It's the pallu, that was beautiful peacock in black and red. And it has got a off-white printed blouse. This is saree number 6, priced at $15.99. To block the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is Sari number 7. Sari number 7 is a nice grey and black combo sari. It's got borders on grey base on both sides of the sari. This is how the sari looks. There are nice paisleys printed in the pallu and an off-white printed blouse. This is sari number 7, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Sari number 8. It's a very beautiful sari with vines all over the sari and a big peacocks in the bottom of the sari. They are printed in off-white. It's a very beautiful sari. It has borders on both sides of the sari. Going on to the pallu. Beautiful printed peacock in white and a nice off-white printed blouse. This is sari number 8, priced at $15.99. People who would like to block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. This is sari number 9, last sari in this video. It's a very beautiful sari. It has got panel-like borders. You can see beautiful borders all over the sari. This is how the sari looks. Come to the pallu. It's got nice
Radha Krishna
printed pallu and an off-white blouse. This is sari number 9, priced at $15.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number.
So all these saris are cotton silk mixed fabrics. These are all lightweight and easy to maintain. But these saris need to be washed and dried in sunshade so that their colors last longer. These are natural dyes and they have to be dried under shade so that they last longer. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see our future updates, and follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you. Happy shopping.
Thank you.